Hi guys, welcome back to Lori's channel. Today I'm gonna show you another do and don't. I'll show you lips. Lips have a lot of wrinkles. How do you draw? You wanna have realistic lips, right? I'll show you a great technique. Follow me. Let's get started. Maybe this is the way you draw. This is a good example to draw realistic lips. So let's make a guideline first. Draw a scale of size you want. And draw the cross line in the middle. I draw a wave along the middle horizontal line. The reason we made this wavy line is that our lips are not flat surfaces if you look closely. And our lips are a little round in the middle. You can still fix it if necessary. Fix the line of your lips until you are satisfied. In this tutorial, I use 2B and sketch it lightly, so it's easy to erase and modify the shape. Now I use 4B to express light and darkness. Don't grip the pencil tightly. Put a lot of contrast. Makes the gradation leave the bright part. Mix the pencil with the cotton swab. Darkening the dark areas of the lips. Shading is added along the texture of the lips. Keep the middle area slightly light by not blending too much. Here, we're gonna make our lips look real. You need to increase the intensity of the shadows. Press the pencil firmly. It adds more strength to the dark areas and makes them darker. I also draw the skin around my lips. And make the corner of your mouth the darkest step. I draw them up a little bit, so the person seems to laugh a little. The wrinkles of the lips are also described in more details. Dark portions get darker and darker and described at the same time. To make your lips more stereoscopic, you can draw the reflected light with an eraser. Next thing we need to do is highlight the shape of the lips. Make a bright line just above your lips. This will make your lips much more noticeable. If you want to be drawn in real life, be patient and don't give up. You just have to add the lines and put the spirit, the process of mixing them together. Make it your own. Make it your style. you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe me. I'll be happy if you give the thumb up, next comment and select that. Bye. See you next time.